ऑलराइट गाइस, इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए मैंने बहुत दिन तक वेट किया है एंड बेसिकली जिनके बारे में और जिसके साथ में मैं आज पॉडकास्ट करने वाला हूँ, ही इज आल्सो माय फ्रेंड, ही इज आल्सो माय गाइड, हैज हेल्प्ड मी थ्रू आउट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोसेसेस एंड उसके लिए एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. ही इज अ स्पीकर, ही इज अ सीकर एंड जो ये इतने दिनों से कर रहे हैं, पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड रेफरिंग हिम नॉट एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग बट एज अ स्पिरिचुअल बीइंग. एंड अगर आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी दिक्कतें हैं, किसी भी टाइप की दिक्कतें हैं, मिस्टर देवांश मोदी might just be the right person for us to talk to. Hi देवांश, क्या खबर आपका?
Hello Shashank, good morning. Very good morning.
Devansh, we are recording at about 10 p.m. if I'm not wrong. Why good morning?
So let me give you first answer. You said I am a spiritual being. See, human evolvement, right? पहले हम बंदर थे, then we became human being. The time has come for another evolvement. If you want to stay happy, now you need to be from a human being, a spiritual being. And your question is valid. Why good morning? सुबह मॉर्निंग क्या होती है? सुबह वो होती है जब फूल खिलते हैं, पंखी चहकते हैं और कुदरत अंगड़ाइयां लेती है. Every living being on this earth is filled with freshness and high level of energy. As the sun rises, every living being is at the highest level of their energy to start a new day. Even when sun rises, there are changes in your body, and this is said by science. हाँ, तुम बेड पे फैले हुए हो सकते हो, but your body starts changing. So yes, so you should also get up early someday and feel this energy, feel this freshness, this high level of energy. और भाई सुबह से लेकर रात तक मुझे इस high state of energy पर रहना पसंद है. And why should I not be in this high state of energy? आज तो होना ही चाहिए. I am excited for this session. You are excited for this session. और जब ये सेशन अनाउंस हुआ और जो लोगों को रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहे थे मुझे, और आई एम डैम श्योर हमारे व्यूअर्स आर आल्सो वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. और ये सेशन में सबसे पहली ट्रिक मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. अगर ये कर लिया ना, राइट, ये सेशन से ये लेके चले गए ना, बिलीव मी, यू विल ऑलवेज बी एट हाई स्टेट ऑफ एनर्जी. अभी के अभी अपने आजू बाजू वालों को हाई फाई देके गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दो, गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग. और ये 21 दिन तक हर सुबह करो. आपके घर में कोई ऐसा होगा जो ऐसे बैठेगा, क्या कर रहा है भाई, क्यों इतनी एनर्जी है? अरे लिव हिम, बी एट द हाईएस्ट स्टेट ऑफ एनर्जी. आपका पूरा दिन पॉजिटिव जाएगा अगर ये करके चले गए. बिलीव मी, आज के सेशन के बाद अगर आप इस सेशन में अवेक और एनर्जेटिकली सुन रहे हो ना, इस सेशन खत्म होने तक यार एनर्जी विल बी एट पीक लेवल. you will have clarity, you will be powerful, you will be happy, blissful and peaceful. You will see life with totally new dimension, and this is my promise at the start of the session. Be aware, be energetic, and see at the end I have a surprise technique for all your viewers. I call it 1 minute Buddha technique, right? Because I do feel that you should have high energy attitude, because your attitude and not your aptitude decides your altitude in life. So good morning Shashank.
So good morning to all the viewers. There is nobody here, but the viewers are there. So high five to all the viewers. High five to Mr. Devansh.
Okay. If she listen, if the viewers, if the viewers are awake right now, I want them to comment right now. Good morning. Comment box को भर दो good morning से. If you are awake and energetic, if you want the changes.
We'll be scheduling it on a premier basis. So जो भी जन 8 बजे से देखेंगे, if you are seeing the video right now, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना चाहिए. So yes, अगर हमारे साथ के जो स्पीकर है, इफ इज सो एनर्जेटिक, तो अगर हम थोड़ा डल हो गए तो ये हमारे तरफ से गलती होगी. सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी एंड लेट अस होप फॉर अ वंडरफुल पॉडकास्ट देवांश, राइट? सो
यस 100%.
तो अगर जैसे मैंने आपसे बात भी किया था, तो यू हैड एक्चुअली टोल्ड मी कि यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव सीन योर पॉडकास्ट. सो लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद द ट्रेंड. डायरेक्टली आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा जो कि होगा ना, डायरेक्टली पिन पॉइंट करना या डायरेक्टली एकदम होता है वो आई बॉल में एकदम परफेक्टली देना. तो एक चीज मुझे बताओ डायरेक्टली, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्पिरिचुअलिटी? क्योंकि ये सबका क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी इक्वल टू रिलीजन? या मतलब कि क्या स्पिरिचुअलिटी और रिलीजन सेम है, ये लोगों को कंफ्यूजन है, ये मुझे भी कंफ्यूजन है, सो लेट अस जस्ट क्लियर इट आउट। पहले ही बॉल में मैंने आपको बाउंसर दे दिया है, तो अब आप टैकल करो विद अ प्रॉपर हुक शॉट।
Oh my God, this bouncer can really, injure me. This is bombarding, but I can understand how this podcast is going to be. We are not going to talk any sort of shit. Just to the point. I understand that, and that's nice because our time of our viewers is really important.
True.
So this is a very wonderful question to start with. What is spirituality? Spirituality is basically knowing the why of your existence and living your life for a purpose and gaining the freedom of life. That's all spirituality is basically. But there are so many misunderstandings and misconceptions about this topic. People feel that spirituality is basically living this world, going to Himalaya and sitting in a cave and sitting in meditation for whole day. That is my spirituality. No, spirituality is being in this chaotic world in a blissful and peaceful state. Spirituality is not like wearing some kind of clothes, growing beard, having a serious face because I'm knowledgeable, I'm spiritual, No, it's about, it is about enjoying and being young in each moment of your life. Spirituality is not about saying that, spirituality never says I believe in this God, I believe in this God, or I believe in that God. Spirituality says believe in you, yourself. Spirituality does not say about sacrifice or tyag. Spirituality says about freedom, mukti. So be conscious, be aware about yourself and do right thing, live for a purpose, do nishkam karma, be a karma yogi. That's what spirituality is. So now your next question.
Yeah.
Yes, your next question.
The curious question.
Religion and spirituality.
Yes.
Yes. You are a professor, right? You teach students.
Yes.
A very tough and great profession. I respect you a lot for this.
Thank you.
And I pray to God that someday in life even I could have such a cool teacher like you. So, but one thing. See, there are two types of students, right, in your class. One is proactive, one other is reactive one. The proactive is, I will do my homework in advance, I will study in advance, I will not wait for the exams, or I will not wait for your order.
Yeah.
The reactive one, the fool, you always need to order him. You always need to pressurize him for homework and study. The dates have come, study. So in the same way, there was spirituality existing in ancient times, but there were some fools, right, that they didn't understand the science of spirituality. So they used to behave like anything. And the world cannot exist without any sort of system. So the Rishi Munis thought that they will not work like this. We need to pressurize them. So they used carrot and stick technique. There is a God watching you. It started with it. And they gave a do's and don'ts format, right? So you need to meditate in the morning to have positive vibes for the whole day. Oh, but I will not meditate. Okay, you fool, you will not meditate? Are you religious? Do you believe in God? Yes. Go to temple. Pray to God. There is a very positive environment in the temple. You will get the positive vibes. Okay, it's monsoon season. Take care of yourself. Right? You need to give rest to your stomach. You need to eat healthy. You need to eat sattvic food. Oh, no. I will always satisfy my taste buds. Oh, you fool. Are you religious? Do you believe in God? Okay, then there will be festivals in which you need to keep upwas. You see, हम मॉनसून में ज्यादा बीमार पड़ते हैं. हमारे ज्यादातर मॉनसून वाले फेस्टिवल देख लो, सब में उपवास है. जन्माष्टमी ले लो, श्रावण का महीना ले लो, या फिर जैनिज्म देखो तो पर्युषण ले लो, उनमें भी उपवास होता है. नवरात्रि देख लो. Why can't there be upwas in Dussehra or Diwali? You eat lots of sweet in that, right?
Yeah.
So, if there is God watching you doing all these things, if you follow the do's, you will be sent to heaven after you die. There will be white theme. There will be clouds. Apsaras will be dancing. Everything that a person desires is available in heaven. If you follow the don'ts, you will be sent to hell. जहाँ आप फ्राई किए जाओगे, काट दिए जाओगे, आपको टॉर्चर किया जाएगा.
Yes.
And religion is good thing. It is not a bad thing. It works. उसका एसेंस था, पर अभी कुछ टाइम से उसका एसेंस जा रहा है बिकॉज पीपल आर टेकिंग इट इन अ रिजिड वे. तेरा रिलीजन गलत, मेरा रिलीजन सही, तेरा भगवान नहीं है, मेरा भगवान है. एवरी रिलीजन ऑन दिस वर्ल्ड टीचेस नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा. पर अगर इस दुनिया के इतिहास में सबसे ज्यादा खून किसी चीज के लिए बहा है तो और कुछ भी नहीं, पर ये रिलीजन ही है. That's it. So this is the difference.
That's the last statement actually just was a statement, but it had so many meanings if you just consider that कि जो चीज जोड़ने के लिए हमारे लिए बनाया गया है वही शायद हमें सबसे ज्यादा तोड़ा भी है, इसका सबसे ज्यादा फायदा भी शायद उठाया हुआ है. सो बेसिकली इफ यू जस्ट समराइज व्हाट देवांश एक्चुअली सेड, एंड आई बिलीव दैट ही विल एग्री, कि रिलीजन हो गया कि अगर आप नहीं मान रहे हो तो आपको कंट्रोल एनवायरनमेंट में रखने के लिए देयर इज रिलीजन. एंड अगर आप एक फ्री सोल हो, इफ यू वांट टू ब्लेंड इनटू अ डिफरेंट इकोस्फीयर, देन देयर इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी व्हिच इज लाइक अ फ्री स्फीयर फॉर यू, फ्री स्पेस फॉर यू, where you unite your souls, where you just think beyond the natural things which are happening. Yes. Basically. So that is amazing, you know, to start with such a powerful note and to let the viewers
100%.
know about it. That's amazing, यार. But यार जैसे अभी आपने कहा, जैसे अभी आप कह रहे थे about spirituality and about religion, तो लोगों के दिमाग में आता है काफी बार, एंड शायद तक आपके पास भी आता होगा, एंड शायद ये धीरे धीरे अभी इन दिनों में, बिकॉज स्पेशली ऑफ द कोविड सिचुएशन दैट वी आर इन, कि लोगों का थोड़ा सा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हुआ है इसकी तरफ, कि spirituality is always being considered कि you know what, there is spirituality and there's always science, you know, there's science and there's spirituality. These are two different, and these are two different subject matters. ये दोनों आपस में collide नहीं करते हैं, इन दोनों का आपस में कोई relation, but I strongly believe कि इनके बीच में relation तो है. तो for people who really don't know about the blend between spirituality and science and what exactly is the combination, Devansh, if you could just like give us a brief about the same, कि क्या science अलग है, क्या spirituality अलग है, या दोनों शायद तक एक ही जैसा चीज है. I'm also curious to know this.
Yes. मतलब मेरे जिंदगी में अगर दो ऑप्शन है, एक बाजू साइंस, एक बाजू स्पिरिचुअलिटी, मैं क्या करूँ? See, first understand, spirituality is about knowing something, right? Spirituality is about getting knowledge. There are two types of science. One is physical science, right? Another is of advanced level, that is I call spiritual science. You may say, what are you talking, right? See, what is physical science? There is a person normally in a white coat standing in a lab doing experiments and observing things and getting knowledge, right? But those who are spiritual, they discover knowledge. They discover knowledge. They look into themselves. They are conscious and aware about themselves, right? And they understand how they exist. They experiment inside. They experience inside. And then they get knowledge. You know Gautam Buddha, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is he a spiritual being?
Yeah, of course.
Right? We know him as that. Yeah. But I do see him as a scientist.
Okay.
I understand. I will clear it out.
Yeah.
See, he existed on this earth before around 2500 years. Okay. Right? At that time, he said something about atom. He called it Anu. There were no microscopes.
Okay.
Yes, Anu. Okay. Anu means atom, right? Even before thousands years of Buddha, our scripture Rigved referred to atom. It's just that Buddha went a step ahead, and he also mentioned about subatomic particles. And as there were no microscope, there was nothing of such thing known. So there was no word also for it. So he gave his own word. Ashtakalpas. What does that mean? Yes, an atom that is divided, and that division has 8 qualities in it, 8 elements in it.
Okay.
There were no microscope, and that person is saying that my body is made up out of 8 atoms, and my first birth was a one body cell. Remember, there was no microscope. And your 10th standard biology friend, that amoeba that we used to study, that different shapes.
Yeah.
He said these things in those times. He said that there are 7 layers of mind, and today modern psychologists are saying that yes, there are 4 layers of mind. There is conscious mind. We talk, we breathe, we listen, we see, we walk. That is conscious mind. 2% of total mind. Then there is subconscious mind, 2 or 3% of it. What does it do? Have you many times listened someone saying, or you have felt you had a dream, you are sitting in an office or something and someone came, and after some days the same scene happens with you in reality.
Yeah, that happens.
There are people who suddenly start seeing things from their past birth.
Yeah.
It is accidentally you are accessing the power of this subconscious thing. This is 5%. Think what about 95% of your brain? The psychologists are finding ways to get the access to that 95%. You will be timeless. You can go to past, you can go to future, you can go back to your different births that you had in past. There are so many powers that we have, which we call, by doing yoga we can activate our 7 chakras.
Yes.
Right? And see, we spirituality believes one thing. Patanjali Yoga Sutra, see, sutras are formulas. He gave you science for doing this thing, and this thing. He experienced it. Spirituality says that knowledge is to be discovered. It is inside you only. You just need to go inside and discover it. And so we always say we discover knowledge. We don't invent knowledge. Was gravitational law invented or discovered?
It was discovered. Yes, it was already there in the law.
Yes.
In the nature. Sorry.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. So physical science, what it does is it does experiment in the outer world, and it gets the knowledge and knows this universe. Spirituality says that you exist in this universe and the universe exists inside you. And so when Yashoda Ma said Krishna opened the mouth and there was the whole cosmos inside his mouth, it was seen, right? So spirituality says that your characteristics and the characteristics of this universe are same. So start knowing yourself, and when you do this process, you will encounter each and every piece of knowledge that exists in this universe. And so science is a basic level, physical science, but spiritual science is of advanced level. So come explore ourselves.
So like what we can draw out from this discussion is that science is here and spiritual level is somewhere here. So अगर आपको यहाँ से यहाँ तक achieve करना है, then you have to just blend into the field of spirituality, understand the entire terminologies that 100%. He said, chakras के बारे में इसने बोला, and it was amazing यार. It is some important information जो कि शायद आपको enlighten कर दे, and like दिमाग में एक बहुत important question आ रहा है, since like spirituality के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, तो दिमाग में बहुत अच्छा question आ रहा है कि सिचुएशन ऐसा अभी होके रखा है, शायद पहले अगर हम लोग अभी जैसे बहुत ज्यादा लोग शायद तक इससे कनेक्ट भी कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज लाइक पहले अगर हम लोग 3 महीने पहले 4 महीने पहले अगर बात करें तो आपको एक जनरल एडवाइस मिलता है हमेशा, यार अपना सोचो, अपना करो यार, कोई मतलब नहीं है, अच्छा होके सच वच बोल के कोई मतलब नहीं है. बट राइट नाउ सडनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन दैट वी बिलोंग, लोगों एक अपनापन आ गया सबके अंदर. तो लाइक Devans, tell me, like, what is the importance of being truthful in life, like being good in life or truthful in life? So, like, what is it like? I just wanted to know about the essence as in regards to spirituality, basically.
So basically, you are asking me to be truthful or not, ethical or not. What about values? Some sort of question like that.
Yeah.
So let me give you a reference of my favorite spiritual book. It's not a spiritual book. You can say it a self-help book. It was the first motivational session conducted on this earth.
Okay.
By Krishna to Arjun in Kurukshetra. So, भगवान says, भगवान बोलते हैं कि धर्म को बचाने के लिए अगर कोई भी अधर्म करना पड़े तो वो धर्म ही है. Your purpose should be right. See, killing someone is wrong. But if you are a police officer and you are given order to kill a person who is a serial killer, now that killing is right or wrong?
That is absolutely right, yeah. Makes sense, yeah.
Exactly. Yes. Slapping someone is bad. But if someone is misbehaving with a woman on road, what you will do? Oh, my dear friend, please stop, don't do this. be spiritual. No, you need to slap him. That's a responsibility to save that lady. So what's your purpose of doing an action decides it is right or wrong. Don't be rigid to ethics and values. And understand, Shashank, what is truth? You understood about ethics and value, but understand the truth of life. What is truth? You and there is a friend of you, okay? He says that physical classes are good. You say, no, virtual classes are good. He says that doing job is better. You say that no, business is better. He says we should marry. You say we should not marry. He says you take loan and expand your business and grow. You say don't take liability. Who is right and who is wrong? Both can be right and both can be wrong depending on the situation. That is a subjective truth.
Yes,
And what is
true.
the absolute truth of life? What is the absolute truth of life? Let me tell you a story. There was a village, एक गांव था जहाँ पे एक औरत रहती थी. थोड़े दिनों पहले बेचारी का पति का देहांत हो गया था. He died. आज उसके पुत्र का देहांत हो गया. He died today. She was crying like anything. She was sad. She was crying like anything. The villagers couldn't see. They said, you do one thing. You take your son's dead body to the nearby village. There is a great yogi sitting, जिनका नाम बुद्धा है. The lady was so desperate. She took the dead body of the son and ran towards the next village, जहाँ पे बुद्धा एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हैं in meditation, peaceful and calmful. वो जाती है बुद्धा के सामने, तो अपने बच्चे को रखती है और हाथ जोड़ के बोलती है कि मेरे बेटे को बचा लो. Buddha opens his eyes and smiles and says, there is only one condition. The lady is so desperate. कोई भी condition, मेरी जान ले लो पर मेरे बेटे को जिंदा कर दो, कुछ भी करो. Buddha smiles again and says, oh बहन, I am a simple human being. मैं simple हूँ, मेरी condition भी simple है. अपने village में जाओ and bring black pepper from that house जहाँ पे आज तक कोई नहीं मरा है. Lady is so desperate. And as black pepper was a very common ingredient found in household in that village, वो गई सुबह से लेके घर घर घूम रही है कि मेरे को थोड़े से black pepper दे दो. And the people are like, we are ready to give as much as you want, but the problem is that the condition कि आज तक हमारे घर में कोई ना मरा हो, that's not possible. शाम तक वो घर घर भटकती है और शाम को उसको समझ आता है कि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. वो बुद्धा के पास जाती है, बैठती है और बोलती है, यो बुद्धा, my husband died before few days. My son died today, and after few days, I may also die. Oh Buddha, accept me as a disciple and tell me about the truth of life. And at that time, Buddha reveals the absolute truth of life. He says, one who is born will grow young. One who is young will grow old, will fall ill, get caught by disease, and he will die. And that is the absolute truth of life. And understand that should be at the center of your life. Understand, Shashank? You believe it or not, that is truth. You will die, I will die, everyone will die one day. And if you don't understand this, then you are going to make the biggest blunder of your life. Understand, every moment you are moving towards your death. You are here to explore the life between birth and death. You are here to experience the life. Do you want to waste your time in sleeping, in social media, texting, watching cat and puppy and funny videos? Do you want to waste your time on time pass people? No, get up, own your life, run, work hard, live your purpose and enjoy and explore this life for which you are here. Every moment is important, my dear friend. For every one of you, you are here to explore your life. So live each and every moment with passion. And that's what you need to do. Understand this truth, keep it in the center, and you will not waste a single minute of your life. Understand this truth, and that is what spirituality teaches you.
And that is like one of the most strongest statement that I've ever heard, that should not waste your time. Like I was also coming across a few books and all these days, so कि जिसमें मैंने अभी पढ़ा था या फिर मैंने किसी से सुना था which was like beautifully said कि आपको अपना लाइफ का जो टाइम पीरियड है, दैट लाइफ का टाइम पीरियड, उसको आपको एज मनी इक्वेट करना चाहिए. जिस तरीके से हम लोग मनी को बहुत अच्छे से रखते रहे, ठीक है, संभाल के रखते हैं, बिल्कुल सोच के समझ के खर्च करते हैं, उसी तरीके से हमें लाइफ को भी उसी तरीके से प्रॉपर्ली प्लान तरीके से स्पेंड करना चाहिए. सो दैट इज लाइक समराइजेस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स
100%.
कि ट्रुथ अलग अलग हो सकता है एंड जो ट्रुथ है वो डिफरेंट होगा, बट अल्टीमेट गोल यही है कि यू हैव टू लिव योर लाइफ द फुलेस्ट. सो अब देवांश, मेरे क्वेश्चंस तो अब मैं क्या किया, थोड़ा सा पाइल अप करके मैंने नीचे कर दिया उसको. अब जो व्यूअर्स ने
Okay.
क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपसे वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. और एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा है which has been asked by multiple people from multiple areas, ठीक है, तो लाइक कोई साउथ से, कोई नॉर्थ से, from Guwahati itself people are asking me this question, जो शायद सबका क्वेश्चन होगा, शायद मेरा क्वेश्चन भी होगा. अगर मैंने सबके साथ में अच्छा किया, मेरी थॉट प्रोसेस अच्छी है, मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, और उसके बाद भी हमेशा ये होता है कि यार मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, सब कुछ सही कर रहा हूँ, किसी का बुरा नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, बट स्टिल यार मेरे साथ ही बुरा हो रहा होता है. तो मतलब why me, that's the biggest question, why me every time when even if I'm not doing anything wrong. इसमें क्या है देवांश, बताओ मेरे को आप.
Oh, this is a very wonderful question by the way, you know.
Thank you.
क्योंकि हर बंदे को लगता है मेरे साथ ही बुरा हो रहा है,
Yeah.
और ऐसा हर बंदा बोलता है. सबके साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ बुरा हो रहा है, और ये सब बोलते हैं. तो पता नहीं किसके साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, किसके साथ बुरा हो रहा है. So let me start with a wonderful story.
Another
There was a
story.
beautiful village. Yeah, another story. There are so many stories for you people. So the people of the village were very happy, very positive. But at every such place, there is one person who will hold the flag of negativity. So there was this person. He always used to say and think that मेरे साथ ही खराब क्यों होता है, मेरे साथ ही बुरा क्यों होता है. Why me? Why the God always punishes me and puts me in the problem? Every villager is happy and why only I am in problem? Always. Every morning, every day will recite this thing. The villagers were also fed up of this person. Why always so negative? They said that you do one thing. In the outskirts of village, under a beautiful banyan tree, there is a very, very, very great yogi sitting. He will surely answer your question. You go to him. So this man goes to that person, that yogi, who's sitting under that banyan tree in that great meditative position. He goes to him and says, "Oh Babaji, please help." The yogi opens his eyes and says that, "Yes, bacha, yes, say, what's your problem?" He said, "The problem is only the problem. My life is filled with problem. The villagers, every villager is happy, and always I get the problem. Why only me? Why me?" The yogi was teaching, people since long. So he was ready with his answer. So he said, he started with his, great knowledge. "Oh, my dear son, understand, if you are facing the problems in life, that's God's blessing. He's helping you to go ahead in life. Understand, the problem you had before 10 years is not prevailing now. And the problem you will have now will not be after 10 years. But there will only be one thing, and that is learning. Is there any problem that was before 10 years, which is also now prevailing in your life?" The man was, "Yes." The yogi was now shocked. In his so long career of so many years, he haven't seen such a case. What is that problem that prevailed before 10 years and also is prevailing now? He was like, "Oh my God." He was curious. He asked that man, "Tell me that problem, I want to know. This is altogether new set of knowledge that I'm gaining from you." The man was like, "Oh, yes, I had problem before 10 years that is prevailing now. I had a wife before 10 years. She's also now staying with me and she will also stay for next 10 years with me, and I'm sure." So I know I started with a very, lighter note because your question is also about a lighter note. Because understand one thing. Do you believe that there is God?
Yeah, absolutely.
And so who is running this, the creator that is running this creation, right? So there is cosmos, and in cosmos there are so many of galaxies,
Yeah.
right? And in these galaxies there is one small solar system, and then in that solar system there is one earth.
Mm.
In that earth there is one nation, India. And in India, right, there is a small state but beautiful state, Assam. In a marvelous city of Assam, Guwahati, in that there is one area, and in that one area there is one house in which you are sitting.
Mm.
Now, do you think the person whom we call God, who is running this whole universe, whole cosmos, is so free that he will all together leave his work and come to Shashank and specially plan a problem for him, and will plan a problem for him, and will set up everything and give you a problem? That is the highest level of self-importance that we are having as a human being. Don't you think so, Shashank?
Yeah, yeah, true. True,
It's
true.
for everyone. It's for everyone. Okay. It's for me. It's for you. Everyone thinks in this way. Understand this thing. What is the main symbol or main symptom of life? Is it growth?
Yeah,
What is the difference between living and non-living beings?
growth.
Does your table that is in your house grow through time?
Yeah,
But does every living being grow?
yeah.
Your nails are growing. Your hair is growing. Tell me one thing. If you are dead, will they grow?
Probably yes.
No.
I
The
did. I
second
just.
you die,
Okay, when you are dead. Okay, sorry. I just misheard the
when
question.
you are dead,
Okay, no, no,
huh? When you are
absolutely no.
dead, will they grow?
No, absolutely
No,
no.
right? So growth is the main symbol, main sign that you have life.
Mm-hmm.
And how can you grow in life? That is by learning and facing problems.
Yeah,
Even your body, see your body.
yeah,
How your immune system saves you from a disease.
yeah,
Is it through vaccination? Yes or no?
yeah,
What is vaccination then? A small part of the disease is been injected in your body so that your cells face that problem or that disease, and they fight them, and then they learn how to fight such parasites or such disease that enter the body, and in future they save you from that disease. Right or wrong?
yeah.
And understand, if your immune system that needs to save your body by facing that problem of disease, don't you think if you want to grow mentally, you need to face a problem in life to grow, to learn? And that's right. A problem that was 10 years before in your life, is it prevailing now? No. But you have learned from it. There is a problem right now in your life and everyone's life. You are learning from it, yes or no? It
Mm-hmm.
will not be after 10 years, but will that learning be? And believe me, if you are waiting for for a day when everything will be okay and there will be no problem and you will be at peace, yes, there is surely that day, and that is the day when you die. That's it. Because if you want to live in this life, there will be problem. There will be problems. You just need to be responsible, and the word responsible means responsibility means your ability to respond, accept the problem. People call me during the result day and they say that, oh yaar मैं fail हो गया, रोते रहते हैं. The students cry.
Mm.
And the very next question I ask is, क्या रोने से तेरा result change होने वाला है? But they are so possessive about this negativeness, and they want to cry, so they say, अरे भाई मैं यहाँ fail हो गया, तू यहाँ ज्ञान की बातें कर रहा है. I said, answer my question, then you cry. क्या रोने से तेरा result change होने वाला है? और वो मुझे बोलता है रोते रोते नहीं. मैं बोलता हूँ अगर रोने से रिजल्ट चेंज हो रहा है तो मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, आजू बाजू वाले लोगों को बुला, हम बैठते हैं और रोते हैं.
Mm.
विल इट एम्पावर यू? नो. विल इट गिव यू कॉन्फिडेंस? नो. क्या अगले अटेम्प्ट में पास करवाएगा? नो. पर अगर तू 3 दिन रोना छोड़ के, अपने आप को रूम में बंद करके, ये सब छोड़ के पढ़ाई पे, एक्सेप्ट द सिचुएशन, एक्सेप्ट द प्रॉब्लम व्हाट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, स्टार्ट रीडिंग थिंग्स, स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर योर नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. लोग रो रहे हैं, यू आर सिटिंग एंड स्टडिंग, देयर आर हाई चांसेस कि तू अगले अटेम्प्ट में पास होगा. See, there will be problems. You need to grow through life. You need to say to God, next time टेम्पल में जाकर रो मत कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, अरे भगवान मैंने तेरा क्या बिगाड़ा है, मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है. उनके पास जाओ और उनको बोलो और प्रॉब्लम्स दो, और प्रॉब्लम्स दो. See, we have always have the list of what we cannot do or what are negatives in us, right? And we every day recite this list, this negative things, and then it becomes our image or self image. एक बात बता, मैं लोगों से पूछता हूँ कि तू बड़ा या भगवान बड़ा? They always say, of course, भगवान बड़ा. तो भाई जो ब्लूप्रिंट तूने तेरे लिए सोची है वो अच्छी होगी, या वो ब्लूप्रिंट जो उसने तेरे लिए सोची है वो अच्छी होगी?
Obviously, वो जो सोचे होंगे वही.
सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. Of course. So accept the problem, see it as a challenge, experience the new things that are coming to your life, and go through life like you are thriving through life. यार एक प्रॉब्लम में बैठ करे यार मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, go to God, और प्रॉब्लम दे, be grateful for what you have. एक बात बता दे, क्या जब तेरी लाइफ में तुझे अचीवमेंट मिला तब तूने बोला मुझे ही क्यों? अगर 20 लाख का जैकपॉट मिलेगा अभी तो तू बोलेगा कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ? नहीं. Then why when there is a problem you say such things?
True.
No, problems will be there. If you try, then also they will be there. If you try, then also they will be there. Now it's up to you what you want to do. So believe in God, believe in yourself. क्योंकि तूने आज तक बहुत कुछ अचीव किया ही है, अब बस वो जान ले कि तूने वो अचीव किया है तो आगे भी अचीव कर पाएगा. That's it.
That is awesome कि problems तो आएंगे ही आपके रास्ते में. You just have to accept it and move your way ahead, move your path ahead, and that is how you can just achieve whatever you want to do. So like Devans, like spirituality also teaches us a lot of things, right? But on the contrary, क्या spirituality also makes us weak in some way? Like what do you feel कि वो क्या हमें weak भी करता है, weakness भी लाता है कुछ? What do you feel?
Spirituality is about knowing your existence. It is knowing your life. It is knowing your true strengths. Being limitless. So, if we are knowing life in spirituality, you know, how does life come in existence? The very first thing that says that life come in existence is due to an ambitious sperm that wants to get converted into a human body. Is this the reason for a human birth? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then if your life is starting with something ambitious and spirituality is knowing about that life, how can it be this, you know, ki spirituality is making you weak? Yeah, people have found out ways, you know, to just hide behind this spirituality thing. That's it. It's nothing else. It's about taking the responsibility. It's just about taking the responsibility. We don't take responsibility. That's the point. भगवान ने खुद कहा है कि भाई कर्म करो. Do your duties properly. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has said this. लोग जाते हैं और मन्नत मांगते हैं भगवान से कि ये काम करा दे, प्रमोशन करा दे, एग्जाम में पास करा दे. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. महाभारत के युद्ध के अंदर कुरुक्षेत्र में अर्जुन का रथ, उस पे वो भी है और भगवान श्री कृष्ण भी है. ठीक है. जब अर्जुन लो हो जाता है, राइट, जब वो लो हो जाता है और भगवान से कहता है कि मेरे को यार युद्ध नहीं करना, मेरे को नहीं कुछ चाहिए यार, ये अपने ही लोगों को मार के क्या करूंगा मैं, तो क्या भगवान उसको ये बोलता है कि भाई ये नारियल ले, रथ से नीचे उतर, मेरे सामने खड़ा रहे और ये नारियल लेके जिस रथ पे मैं सवार हूँ उस रथ की 3 बार प्रदक्षिणा कर और मेरे सामने आके खड़ा रहे और ये नारियल मेरे सामने फोड़, अपने हाथ जोड़ के आंखें बंद कर और मन में मन्नत रख कि अगर मैं ये युद्ध जीत जाता हूँ तो मैं द्वारिका आके 1 किलो लड्डू चढ़ा दूंगा आपके घर पे आके, और फिर अब तू जाके सो जा, युद्ध मैं कर लूंगा. Was it so?
No.
No. अगर अर्जुन जिसके साथ खुद भगवान उस रथ पे बैठे हैं और अगर उसे उठ के अपना गांडीव अपना धनुष उठा के खुद युद्ध करना पड़े तो भाई तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि जो भगवान तुम्हारे मंदिर में है वो ये नहीं कहता मेरी मन्नत रखो. He has given you two eyes, you know, he has given you two hands, he has given you this body, he has given you this mind. किस लिए भाई? भीख मांगने के लिए नहीं उसके पास जाके. He will help you but you need to take actions. He has sent you over here to live for a purpose. पर तुम बात बात पे जाके भगवान को बोलते अरे मेरे को ये दे दे, अरे मेरे को ये दे दे. During this lockdown the most happy person is God. क्योंकि सारे टेम्पल्स बंद है, लोग आके भीख नहीं मांग रहे. Come on यार, own your life. अगर कोई तुम्हें थप्पड़ मारे, स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा अगर कोई तुम्हें थप्पड़ मारे and you are strong enough कि तुम अगर उसको एक थप्पड़ मारोगे तो वो बेहोश हो जाएगा और तुम्हें पता है कि नहीं मारना चाहिए, and then if you are not slapping that person then you are doing the right thing. पर अगर तुम मार ही नहीं सकते, तुम्हें डर लगेगा और बोलते हो कि भाई नहीं नहीं कौन मारे इसको, जाने दो नहीं मारना, then you are a weak person, you are not a strong person. Spirituality is about being strong. अगर कोई तुम्हें 10 बातें सुना रहा है, तुम एग्जाम में फेल हो रहे हो तो तुम्हें कोई एल्डर आके सुना रहा है, you know कि अगर मैं एक बात बोलूंगा ये 10 बातें बोल रहा है तो ये सुन के ये अंकल सुन नहीं पाएंगे, पर फिर भी आप नहीं बोलते, आप सह रहे हो, then you are strong. अगर कोई आपकी वीकनेस गिनाए फिर भी आप चुप रहो तो. पर अगर आप बोल ही नहीं सकते और बोलो कि नहीं नहीं जाने तो नहीं बोलना, छोड़ो, that is a weakness. भाई उठो, निडर बनो, that is what spirituality is.
Yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, that is like that makes up so much of deep meaning and thought process. Ki, you know, just wake up, just stop complaining. So like there's another question that had come up to me was कि अगर मैं अच्छा हूँ, ठीक है, अगर मैं सही हूँ, सब कुछ सही कर रहा हूँ, बट अगर मेरे साथ के जो लोग हैं वो अगर गलत है, जो मेरे साथ में मेरे सामने है वो लोग अगर गलत है तो मैं क्या करूँ?
सबसे पहले तो let me reframe your question, please. I'm not saying your question is wrong, but I do feel it should be like this. इस दुनिया में कोई बंदा गलत नहीं होता, उसके काम गलत हो सकते हैं, because everyone is made by the God. First of all, we need to understand this thing. अगर ये दिमाग में बैठ गया, so much things are clear with people. So और अगर जब लोग don't do the things according to you, the only thing we get is irritated or angry. शशांक, एक मेरे को बात बता. When anyone gets angry,
yeah,
does he like to be in that angry state? वो irritating state में मजा आता है अंदर या फिर अपना पूरा अंदर का सब कुछ you know हिल जाता है negatively?
Equilibrium हिल जाता है एक बार के लिए.
हिल जाता. Right. So it is like there is you feel like you don't like that, right? There is a problem, right? When you are angry.
Yeah.
अंदर anger होता है तब.
Yeah.
So let me tell you again a story. The best part that you like story.
Yes, I'm starting.
There was a beautiful.
Yeah.
There was a spirituality is easy to convey through stories. So
yeah,
yes.
True.
So there was a beautiful village, right? There was a beautiful village and there was a person living in that village very happy, right? And he had a very strict wife. So उसने बोल दिया था वाइफ ने कि if you come to home after 8 तो मत आना, बाहर ही सो जाना. I am very strict about it. After 8 it's family time, right? So one day he left his office. So while he was walking on the road, he saw his watch. और उसमें 7:45 बजे थे, तो he thought के let me today was a stressful day, then let me go to a local bar and have a quick drink, right? So he went to the local bar. He sat, he had one quick drink, then another quick drink, then another quick drink, and another quick drink, and another quick drink. Then he saw a watch in front of him. But there was one watch, but God was so happy with him that he was able to see 2 watches.
Okay. By no means we are promoting this thing. Example.
No. Let the end come.
Okay,
Let the end come.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
So he saw the watch and it was 2 a.m. It was midnight. He stood, and for a person who is in this deep state, walking on a revolving world is very difficult.
Hmm.
So he was walking. He saw a shortcut. Let me take a shortcut. It's already late. So there was a garden shortcut. So he went in the garden. He was walking, and while he was walking, he fell into the bush,
Hmm.
right? And as he fell, there was scratch on his face and injuries on his face a bit. So again, he got up, was standing in front of the door, and he was doing the most difficult thing. He was putting that small key into even smaller keyhole, and you understand in that state, right? It took 20 minutes for him.
Yeah.
Nah, even the listeners will be like afterwards, no, don't. So he went into the house, and fortunately, the strict wife, was asleep. So he directly went to the bathroom, and he was standing in front of mirror, and he took out the first aid kit. He applied the bandages and went to the bed, and just slept. In the morning, wife was furious. She took a bucket of cold water and just threw it at him. He just woke up and he was like, "What are you doing? This is Sunday today. What are you doing? Let me sleep." And wife is like, "You fool. You said me before 6 months. You promised me that you will not drink." He's like, "Baby, in 6 months I didn't even touch a single drop of liquor. What are you saying?" Wife was even more angry.
Hmm.
She caught him from the shirt, dragged him to the bathroom, and made him stand in front of the mirror and said, "You fool, look at the mirror. You applied the bandages on that mirror, the face that was seen in that mirror. So, bye. इन सब चीजों से दूर रहो वरना." So, tell me, Shashank, बैंडेज कहाँ लगाई जाती है?
हाँ, लगी हुई है वहाँ पे.
Exactly. Then when you are angry, you are hurt from inside. Then why are you changing the external situation or external people, बाहर के लोग? Don't you think you should apply that bandage on your inner self?
Yeah.
Think logical.
True. पूरा फनी स्टोरी के बीच में
See,
लास्ट में.
yes. So understand, see, and these people that you're angry about or irritated about, watch closely. Most of them are the people that you love, and you communicate every day. Your family members,
Yeah.
your colleagues. You love them. You cannot also stay without them. That's the truth. But yeah, there are some actions that you don't like. But at the end, you love them. And when you are angry, understand one thing. I know. गुस्सा आ जाता है भाई, बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हो, गुस्सा सबको आता है. आई गिव यू अ ट्रिक. बी अवेयर कि अगर गुस्सा करने से उसने जो गलती की वो सुधर जाने वाली है. अब in initial stages I will not say count 10 to 1, 10 to 1. No, I understand, but start just being aware. पहली बार गुस्सा आ जाएगा, उसके बाद अवेयर बनो. तीसरी बार भी आएगा, चौथी बार, 100वीं बार पर 101वीं बार ना पहले अवेयर हो जाओगे. इफ यू स्टार्ट बीइंग अवेयर कि भाई गुस्सा करने से आपको ही फायदा होने वाला है. नो. गुस्सा करते हो तुम, कुछ ऐसी चीजें बोल जाते हो जिसको बाद में रिग्रेट करना पड़े. लेट मी टेक यू टू वर्ल्ड वॉर 2. In Austria, there was a beautiful Jewish family, and the Nazis came, attacked their home, and killed the parents, and took two, children. One was elder sister, another was, younger son. Took them to the, station where the train would come and take them to the goods train would come, because people were thrown in the goods train and taken to the concentration camp. Now now the only elder sister was left, and this child, this child was playing with other children. He didn't knew what is going to happen with him. So while he was playing, and it's Austria, it's damn cold over there. And if you are without shoes, on barefoot, understand that you just lost your foot, right? So while he was playing, he just lost his shoes,
Okay.
and the sister saw it, and she was so angry on him. She was so furious. There are so many problems already with us, and you already created another problem. What are you doing? You don't understand. Don't you have this much of common sense? Then after that, they were separated. After 3 years, that girl came out. She was searching for her brother, and she came to know that she is no more. And when she remembers him for the last time, the last conversation, she was angry at her. She regretted it like anything. Don't do anything that will make you regret for a lifetime. And after that, she decided that no, I will never get angry on anyone because you don't know what is going to happen next. Love everyone. Why are you doing this work, this job, this business? Why are you working so immensely? Because you love your family. You want to make them happy. I know the day may be stressful, but when you come home and your child is running towards you with love to hug you, don't get irritated and don't get angry on the child because he's not the reason of your stress or anger that happened outside. Just accept him with open arms and hug him with full love because he doesn't want anything else. It's that love that he craves. And love is the most important thing that makes us human and living. That's it.
That's like that's awesome, yeah. Like we have actually summarized and understood कि spirituality से कितना फायदा होता है. This person आप सुन ही सकते हो. This person has redefined the way we think. Yes, it's very basic, but अगर आप देखोगे तो चीजें बहुत अच्छी तरीके से molded है, बताई गई है ताकि we recognize the real us or the real me. If I'm very particular about what I'm saying right now, so yes, we have understood कि spirituality
See,
has its own
Shashank,
benefit.
let me
Yes,
tell one
yes,
thing.
yes, Devansh.
Let me. You said these are basic things. Spirituality is not something like oh complex. It is about making life simple, right?
Yeah.
You may have heard this thing somewhere or other place. I know, but if you today you are viewing this, that means that you have listened to it, but you have not followed or applied it, right? So you are again here to find some new knowledge that will change your life.
Yeah.
आपने सुना पर आपने कुछ किया नहीं.
Mhm.
Until now you are karma yogi.
Mhm.
I am pleading you to be a karma yogi. That's it.
Mhm. So, like Devansh, you have understood the importance of spirituality, and with your beautiful stories that you have given us, it is very much clear कि अब सबको एक curiosity आ गया कि यार spirituality सही ये चीज है, बहुत कुछ चीज redefine कर देता है. तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि I don't know anything about spirituality and मैंने आपका first time ये चीज सुना अभी first time and I want to begin spirituality. I want to start spirituality and I want a startup guide as to how do I begin with spirituality. तो उनके लिए आपका क्या सजेशन रहेगा as to how do I start and maybe धीरे धीरे progress into it. So please.
Yes, see, spirituality, if you want to start, the best thing that I can suggest you is reading Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
See, at one point of time, I was at the lowest point of my life. It was like living for each minute was so burdensome for me.
Mhm.
And at that point, I took this book in my hand. It completely changed my life. Today, I keep this book with me for 24 hours.
Okay.
If you ask me now, I can show you right now. That book is always with me. That is really great book. And you know, there is another book that is commentary by Swami Vivekanand on different yogas that are suggested in different ways of living in Bhagavad Gita. And one book from that is Karma Yoga that describes how to be a Karma Yogi, to live for a purpose that includes the well-being of the society. I know when I say such things, I sound like a charity person or I sound like I'm from NGO. No, believe me, when you get at the best time to learn spirituality is what when you are at the lowest point in your life. When you're at the lowest point in your life and you start taking positive things, spiritual things, believe me, at that lowest point of your time, you will make the life's toughest decision.
Yeah. True.
I guarantee you.
True.
You see Buddha, he had pleasures the day he went out and to see the city and he saw someone's dead, someone's ill, someone's old and weak.
Mm.
He understood that this is not the life that I'm having. Let us find something more. You see Swami Vivekananda,
Mm.
there are so many problems in his life and that took him to spirituality, that took him to Ramakrishna Paramans. and he just started his spiritual journey. I know so many people. Why should I talk of any other person? I have a person in front of me. It's you. I knew you. At one point of time, you were at the lowest point of your time when you were a student. You were facing so much of struggles. There were so many of problems, right? But you didn't cry out. You were at the lowest point. Everything had happened to you. Now you took a decision that what I have faced as a student, I will not let any of my student or any of the student suffer the same problem.
Yeah.
Even when you didn't have that money in your pocket, that penny in your pocket to start that great tuition classes or something like that, at that time you decided that I will start a class that is not just for earning, but it is for the students in the rural areas of Assam, of India, who couldn't get the access to the best resources. Do you took that decision when you were, happy and when you were in a pleasant time? No,
No.
you were at the lowest point of your time.
Yeah.
I decided that no matter what, if a person comes to me with a problem, if he's crying, one thing is sure, I'll just do whatever I can do through my words, and I will change the state of his mind, and I will make him confident, powerful, and make him know how worthful he is. That is the best point to start spirituality. Start observing, start seeing. This spirituality is a way of life to live life peacefully and blissfully.
Hmm.
My dear friend, tell me one thing. Don't you do everything in your life for happiness, joyfulness?
Yes.
Why do you study? Why do you take good job? Why do you want good house? Why everything? Why did you do CA?
Hmm.
Wasn't it for a good life, happy life? Yes. Then answer my one question. If you're working since the day you were born for this thing, were you more joyful when you were 5 years old? Or you are more joyful now?
Yeah. Like obviously
Of
now.
course, it was 5 years. You were lively at 5 years of age, and everyone was, right?
Yeah.
So, if you are working for a goal of getting more happy, and with the time, if you have, become less happy, don't you think that there is something wrong? Until now, you tried everything, including materialism. I am saying, let's be spiritual and let's try. Can we get that happiness for what we are working? Human being doesn't want something more. He wants all. And that's what spirituality gives. So start fast. Start now.
He caught me there because I was trying to say कि नहीं नहीं अभी अभी सही है यार अभी सही है but trust me yes the
Oh,
young days and the young time was the best time as people
okay.
say so
But life was more lively and simpler at that time. I think so.
yeah true it was way simpler it was way cooler also यार so मेरे पास कुछ अच्छे questions है आपके लिए stored up like I'll be saying one question जो कि आपके लिए stored
So
up होगा yeah
one thing. I received a question. I would just ask your permission to take if you
yeah
allow.
sure go that
There
will
is
be great
a message that I received that why is life so complex? Why
yeah
it is so
yeah
complex. So I thought that we should take this question
yes
because, but until now, I was in a very misconception.
okay
I thought only understanding woman on this world is complex. So sorry, I'm not trying to say anything against women, but I do respect women because they have the strength.
hmm.
They have that level of strength that we men cannot even think of having.
True
So we can be so knowledgeable, we can be so scientific, we can have that modernist level of science, but we cannot we cannot give a living being, we cannot give a human being that strength the God has only given to a woman. And so, we have a lot of respect for them, jokes apart. So yes, this is the real thing that I wanted to say. But life is complex. That was the question. Life is not complex, Shashank.
mm-hmm.
Life is just simple.
Hmm.
Your mind is complex. Just think and understand. If a 5-year boy is slapped by his dad, okay, his dad slapped him for some mistake, what would he do? He would cry because there would be pain, of course.
Yeah.
He would cry for half an hour, then he would sleep for maybe 2 hours. He would get up and he would just start playing. In fact, he would just start playing with his dad, right?
Yeah.
The same boy turned 25, and now his dad slapped him. Oh, how can he slap me? Now I am a adult. How can he slap me? I have some self-respect. It was not my mistake. It's every time he thinks it's my mistake and he just slapped me. How can he do this? How can he? And then he will not talk with his dad for weeks and he will have that negative feeling stuffed up inside him, right?
Yeah.
It was simple. He slapped you. That's okay. If you are right, you should not have think such things. You should just have smiled to him. You should have just looked into his eyes and you should have said that this is my viewpoint. This is what I wanted to say. I thought it was right. It's okay you slapped me. With respect and with a smile, like Krishna. Be a very good communicator. Spirituality also teaches you that.
Yeah.
With a smile. And you just leave the place. No arguments. Believe me, you will be peaceful. And he would start thinking and feel guilty if he was wrong. Spirituality doesn't say to keep quiet. But my dear friend, say the truth, but keeping the respect of elderly persons. This is an example. You may have failed in exam. You may have just been fired from your job. You may have faced a great loss in business. Maybe your partner ditched you. There can be anything. These are the situations of life. They give you pain, but when you start overthinking on that thing through here, then it converts into sufferings. So when a situation like this comes, when the people are new in relationship, they message each other, and when the person is messaging desperately waiting for the reply to come and the person doesn't reply, oh, why the person is not replying? Did I do something wrong? No, I don't think so. Is the person talking to someone else? The person has changed. I have noticed. So much thoughts going, yeah. She didn't or he didn't reply. That's it. There can be lot many reasons. So
Yeah.
set the emotions. Keep the emotions inside. Think logically. Accept the situation. Be responsible. You are here to experience life, not to think about life. नो मैटर ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा जिंदगी में भाई, कोई भी बड़ी से बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आई तो तू मर जाएगा. दैट्स द बिगेस्ट डैमेज दैट यू कैन गेट. तो एक दिन मरना ही है. जिंदगी में अगर सब कुछ सही सही चलने लगा भाई, इफ यू गो इन अ अम्यूजमेंट पार्क, डू यू सिट इन अ राइड दैट गोज लाइक दिस? यू लाइक द राइड, या देन इट्स लाइफ. एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी लाइफ में, तू हर चीज को प्रॉब्लम ढूंढता रहेगा. विदाउट प्रॉब्लम यू डोंट एग्जिस्ट. Life is not complex. Be clear from here. It will help you also. Be clear.
True.
What is the worst damage that can happen? Okay, this. What can I do to reduce the damage or remove the damage? Okay, this. Oh, there is nothing that I can do. Okay, then sit. It's not in your control. That's it.
Yeah. So like this is one technique which I also use it a lot of times ki when I start up something new or when I was actually thinking of starting the classes also. So I used to ask this question to basically myself ki what is the worst thing that can happen? There might not be enough students to teach. There might be just a single student, but agar ek student bhi hai, that is like a motivation for me. So that is so true, man. Like it's like something which will always drive you to do something crazy, yeah. Because you don't have nothing to lose. Like you're already facing the wall, and it's awesome, man. It's like it is so recollected and it is so connected with all the thoughts that you have provided. So that's amazing, yeah. And like
and
that's
life
great.
is simple. See, life is very simple. We always say that, many people say, oh, I have very strong negative thoughts. I just ask them, if you feel strongly that you want to pee, what do you do? Oh, I just go in the washroom and flush it out.
Yeah.
Then, my dear friend, flush this negative thoughts out. Oh, they are my situations. How can just I ignore them? They are true. Don't think problem oriented. Think solution oriented. Okay, then the wastewater that you are flushing out, that is also your water and that is in existence like a situation.
Mhm.
You will keep it for 5 days. There will be infection in your body.
Yeah.
No, then how can you keep this negative thing, this waste in your mind? When you pile this up, you are mentally infected. So stop that.
Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Be
Great.
simple.
So like from the entire discussion that I having with you, I'm being pretty clear कि क्यों मुझे ऐसा कमेंट भी आया था कि this person can actually solve a problem in an hour. आप कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर दो, कुछ भी थ्रो कर दो, ये बंदा आपके लिए सॉल्व कर देगा किसी ना किसी तरीके से। या तो बेस्ट है स्टोरी टेलिंग के थ्रू कर देगा। बट मैं देवांश मोदी से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि सर अगर आपके पास में कोई जन आया विद अ प्रॉब्लम एंड ही क्लेम्स कि आप उसे सॉल्व कर दो, तो किस तरीके से यू basically enlighten the person or just try to bring out a ray of hope in the midst of so much of negativity that is going around, or if the person is low, what do you basically do in that 1 hour?
See, first of all, you know, I do believe that if you want to be happy in this world, you need to have a purpose that includes the well-being of people. That is greater than even your life, even your existence. Nishkam kar. That's what a karma yogi do. See the greatest people on this earth. Their vision was not for them. Their vision was for the welfare of people. Gandhi's vision was to free the people. It was not that I want to be father of. Dhirubhai's vision was that every farmer and every labor of India should have a cell phone. When even the cell phone was like a luxury for people to have.
Hmm.
You see the startups that focus on solving problems of there may be so many viewers who are doing your in startup thing.
Yeah.
If you are solving the problem of people, you will be a great startup, believe me. And why such great people on this startup thing? I know you are living a great life with a great purpose. You are a great chartered accountant that I know, extremely knowledgeable. You could have taken a corporate job in which you get a very good salary. You could have, afforded any luxury that you want, and you could have, the most comfortable life. But you didn't take that. तू चाहता तो तू लाखों की प्रैक्टिस गुवाहाटी में कर सकता था क्योंकि तेरे लेवल का शायद सीए, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट अंडरमाइनिंग द थिंग, बट तेरे लेवल का सीए could have earned lakhs of rupees. You are extremely knowledgeable. I know that because I know you since we were in nationals together.
Yeah.
It's okay that we used to not talk so much, but I know you could have lakhs and lakhs of practice. You could just sit in your AC cabin and you could just sign the audit reports and you could do the things that the stuff that CAs do. But you are living for a purpose. You want that students should get the best resources, no matter geographically where he is staying. It's not that you just did research about me. Even I contacted your students and I got to know that you are a very cool sir. You always tend to help. I even heard that there was a student who had a problem in economics. He was weak, and you used to call him at your home in your free time, and you used to make him study. And that person who didn't like economics at all got the highest mark in economics.
Yeah.
What gives you this strength? Come on, what gives you this strength? When
No,
you
it's
have such purpose, the God is
yeah.
your partner, believe me. It's a simple thing. I say everyone, अगर भाई ये तुम्हें अगर एनजीओ वाली बातें लग रही है तो तुम जाके देख लो. There are people who are fulfilled in life and they are taking treatment for depression.
Hmm. Yes.
The recent case of this Bollywood, do you think he had something less materially?
No.
Because you are finding happiness outside in some object and that is not going to give you happiness is inside. You can decide to be happy now, choose to be happy. I don't say leave every responsibility and go start an NGO and work for people. No, you are doing business, do. Decide that I will give 10%, 15%. I have decided what I earn, I will give 10%, starting 10%, and I will, try to increase it. Give 10, 15% for the welfare of the society. Now, if you are earning less, try focusing on increasing that 15%. Work hard for that thing, for that purpose, and believe me, the whole world, every energy would work to make you successful businessman, because your business turnover would grow, your profits would grow, so will that 10% contribution. Now, don't you think you will have Mercedes, you will have that great bungalows? But if you're not fulfilled, you're not peaceful, what's that use? Everything, the biggest example of that is, and you can be at the top, the biggest corporate of India is Tata.
Yeah.
And it works on this philosophy of being a karma yogi, serving the society first. भाई तुम जब 5 स्टार में खाना खाते हो ना तो मजा आता है, पर अगर 5 लोगों को खाना खिलाते हो ना तो तुम्हें खुशी मिलती है. I also have a purpose in my life. I was at the lowest point of my life when no one was there to help me. I was empty from inside. So I started taking this knowledge and I made it a purpose. कोई भी बंदा अगर मेरे पास आता है, even the viewer who are saying this, उनको लगता है कि नहीं, they can have my number from the description or my contact details, right?
I'll just link
They
it
can,
up.
yes, they can just call me. They can just anytime if they are feeling anything, they can contact me. I want them to smile. हाँ, I will say to the viewers, feel लगेगी when they contact me, I will give them smile and happiness and the knowledge. कि ये है, marketing stunt नहीं है भाई. I pray them, I beg them. Whenever you get a chance, whenever you see a person who is low, just go to him and give that, positivity to him. Take this knowledge. It's not my copyright. You can use that if anyone is getting, happy. Sometimes you feel you needed someone, and at that point when you don't have someone, and when you start standing on your own, you understand the importance of helping someone to stand, and that's what I felt.
Yeah.
I was at my lowest point. People always come to me and say कि भाई तुझे क्या लगता है तू इस पूरी दुनिया के सारे लोगों की जिंदगियां बदलने वाला है? ऐसे नहीं भाई, मैं पूरी दुनिया के सारे लोगों को नहीं बदल सकता, पर मैं इस दुनिया के थोड़े बहुत लोगों की पूरी दुनिया तो बदल सकता हूँ. बस that's it. I just want to say whatever you can do, but help the people who are in need.
Yeah.
That's it.
So he should help people, he should think about people, and despite the technical glitches that we had in between, this guy was still positive. मैंने उनको बोला एक बार और बोल दीजिए सर. He told it, he said it, and that's like that shows the amount of spirituality and this amount of patience that a person has. And that's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing the way you have taken up steps. Just a normal guy. Honestly speaking, I've been knowing him, so he's just a normal guy. But honestly speaking, I have seen this person grow over this period, and yes, the lowest points hurt you. It has hurt me also. It had hurt him also. But I guess that's the point where you basically change yourself, evolve yourself. And जितने भी तारीफ इन्होंने किया है, सब मैंने एक भी पैसे वैसे नहीं दिया, ये जेन्युइन था, तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए सर. नीचे में आ गया लिखा हुआ.
So yeah, no, it's not. See, झूठी तारीफ नहीं है. Spirituality is about being, saying, right thing, without, having any sort of fear. But one more thing, in recent things, this Bollywood thing has happened, and people say me, what आप लोग होते हो, क्या करते हो, what do you do? Let me tell you in a very short way, it will not take much time. See, whenever you are low, there is a signs of God. Do you know, whenever you sit for meditation, the person says sit with your back erect, comfortably erect, because whenever you sit erect with your back, this your chest portion, your shoulder portion is out and it is straight, it is not loose. See, there is a signs of physiology. Whenever you are sitting in an interview, you are nervous, the people know from your body language that how nervous you are. In the same way, like your mind affects your body, the changes in your body affects your mind. So see, be aware, if anyone is depressed today, I can, without seeing that person, I can say that person is sitting, his chest is inside, shoulders are down. If anyone is low right now, just see to his body or her body and get aware. His, face is down, he's seeing down. At that very point, you just sit straight. And there will be a change. There was a study conducted by UC Berkeley, and they took some clinically depressed people and they said them that for 1 week you will stand in front of mirror and you will smile ear to ear, just smile for 20 minutes every day. Those were clinically depressed people. They were certified that you attain the highest level of depression. And after that experiment, many of them were out of depression just by smiling. See, your physiology, what you think at that moment, you're thinking of something that is making you low. Just stop living because it is just not empowering you. Think what is empowering you. And your questions that you ask. If I say you ask one question, यार मेरे से होगा? Is it empowering? Or मेरे से क्यों नहीं होगा? That is empowering. Just
Outlook.
Few words change. This do affect. In the morning, jump, clap, because there are 36 acupressure points in your palms and in your feet that make you happy. What does the antidepressant tablets do? Our body is a chemical body, so when they give you this tablet, there is an artificial release of this serotonin and adrenaline in your body, and you get happy. The reason of you being happy, the chemicals in your mind. If you move your body, they will naturally release and you will be happy. That's it. So this is a science. Just go, be happy, just move your body, stay happy, focus on the right thing, ask right questions, and you will not be low. You will be at the highest state of energy because it is necessary to think productive. So that's it. If anything,
that is great, yeah. But how can we forget? शुरू जब अपन ने किया था, तो he told us कि एक कुछ हमारे लिए surprise element है, सर. Surprise element है, तो surprise element को last में. Yes, 1 minute technique that we wanted to know. क्या है सर? बता दो एक बार के लिए यार. I've been waiting.
You also asked that how can you change a person's state in just 1 hour.
Yeah.
So 1 hour is for the most rigid person who is not logically ready to accept my things, but he has to accept after 1 hour. If you अगर आप समर्पण कर देते हो मेरी बातों को, आप सुन लेते हो और मानने लगते हो, keeping your so-called logic and aside, I can just change your state in half an hour. And this is not my power. No, I just tell them the reality, because the people come with different situations. Someone has failed in exam, someone has just lost his loved one, someone has just lost his or her job, someone has just faced an accident or illness, someone has just been through a breakup or any situation like this that may be serious. I can feel that pain.
Yeah.
But I just show them the reality of the situation and life. And the only thing that I do nothing. They say that you are mesmerizing words and we're out of that mental state, but it's not like that. I believe in Lord Krishna, who has helped me to come out.
Yeah.
And whenever I speak, I just saying that I'm speaking. I'm not speaking, he's speaking through me. That's it. I do always believe that. And I just show them their true power, the strength they have, that they are not seeing right now in this state. And that's it. And what I do, I can just, this technique is just a trailer of that. I'm not saying you will just have a feel of what they feel after I complete or I close them after that session they have with me on phone.
Okay.
This is just a very simple technique. It is 1 minute Buddha technique.
Yeah.
So I would request every viewers, those who are seeing, to just take the headphones and just place it in their ears, because to get a better experience, it would be a very better thing. So let's start.
Should I also do it?
Just do what I said. Yeah. Yes. Okay. It would be I just want to see, is it actually working or they are giving me that not ingenuine feedback that no, it was good.
I'll be absolutely blunt on the same. Yeah.
Okay, great. No, I'm not talking about you. The people who call me for that situation. So I want to get a proper feedback from you and viewers.
Yeah.
So every viewers and Shashank,
Yeah.
sit comfortably.
Yeah.
Where no one can disturb you.
Yeah.
If you can put your cell phones aside and if you're watching in the cell phones, so try कि message या वो कुछ ना है, silent your phone or something, and sit comfortably with your back erect and see that no one disturbs you around,
Yeah.
because then the charm of it will go. So ready?
Yep.
अब अपनी आंखों को धीरे से बंद कीजिए. अब एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और इस सांस को बाहर छोड़ते हुए, निकालते हुए अपने बॉडी को रिलैक्स कीजिए. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स एंड रिलैक्स. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और इस सांस को बाहर निकालते हुए अपने बॉडी को और रिलैक्स कीजिए. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स एंड रिलैक्स. एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए और आप जब इस सांस को बाहर निकाल रहे हैं तो अपने बॉडी को completely लूज और रिलैक्स कर दीजिए. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स एंड रिलैक्स. नाउ यू फील दिस रिलैक्सेशन. आप रिलैक्सेशन को अपने पूरे बॉडी में फील कर रहे हो. अब आप अपने बॉडी के बाहर आते हो और देखते हो कि आप कैसे बैठे हो. अब आप अपने सामने एक दरवाज़ा देखते हो. उस दरवाजे को खोलते हो और उस दरवाजे के अंदर जाते हो. अब जैसे ही उस दरवाजे के अंदर जाते हो, अब अपनी लाइफ के उस मोमेंट पे पहुंच जाते हो जब आप सबसे ज़्यादा खुश थे. दैट वाज द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आपकी एग्जाम्स का रिजल्ट जिसमें आपने बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया, या फिर कोई कंपटीशन जिसमें आप जीत गए. वो वक्त हो सकता है जब स्कूल में आपको कोई अच्छी सी पोजीशन मिली हो. आपकी पहली जॉब हो सकती है या आपका पहला प्रमोशन हो सकता है. आपका पहला चेक सैलरी का जो आपको मिला वो हो सकता है. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. जब आपने पहली बार अपने बच्चे को प्यार से अपने हाथों में लिया, वो मोमेंट भी हो सकता है. या जब आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी में पहली बार अपने ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ पार्टनर को देखा, वो भी हो सकता है. उन पल को याद कीजिए और वो खुशी को आज फिर से महसूस कीजिए. Feel the same way that you used to feel on that day. अब अपने सामने आप जिन लोगों को प्यार करते हो उनके चेहरे सामने लाइए. देखिए उनके चेहरों को, उनके खुशनुमा चेहरों को. वो हंस रहे हैं, वो खुश है. It may be your parents, आपके पार्टनर्स, आपके बच्चे, your colleagues. See them. Your life partner. And after seeing their smiling faces, see your face. The most important person. आपकी पहली सांस से लेके आप अभी जो ये सांस ले रहे हो तब तक वो आपके साथ है, और जो आप आखिरी सांस लेने वाले हो तब तक वो आपके साथ रहने वाला है. He is happy, he is smiling, he is filled with love. You see him. He is going to be with you every time. ये आपके साथ हर वक्त रहने वाला है. उसको प्यार करिए, उसको एक्सेप्ट करिए. He deserves that. He deserves happiness. ये कैसी बात है कि हम जिसके साथ सबसे ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी में रहते हैं उसी को सबसे कम जानते हैं. तो आज से हम शुरुआत करते हैं कि हम इसे जो कि हम हैं उसे जानेंगे. उसकी खुशी के लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ और मैं अब खुश रहूँगा. And now you feel like smiling, and you start beautifully smiling like the face of you in front of you is smiling. जैसे आपका चेहरा आपके सामने स्माइल कर रहा है, आप वैसे ही स्माइल कर रहे हो, एंड आप हैप्पी, कॉन्फिडेंट और एम्पावर्ड फील कर रहे हो. अब जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए, थोड़ा जोर से, और थोड़ा अंदर से आवाज आनी चाहिए. योगा
योगा
चेता
चेतः
वृत्तिः
वृत्तिः
निरोधः.
निरोधः
ओम
ॐ
शांति
शान्ति
शांति
शान्ति
शांतिः.
शान्तिः.
अब अपनी आंखों को धीरे से खोलिए.
Honestly, I cannot explain. आपको literally जो भी देख रहे हैं videos, उन्हें actually चीज करना चाहिए. You'll witness something else. And at the fraction of second I got distracted was because my mom just walked in. So that was just the third. Otherwise, it was like it is something else. You cannot explain in words. And trust me, जब जो words ये बोल रहे थे, for people who really want to dig into it, just visualize those things, because if you don't visualize it, you'll never feel it. And you automatically, it's just a minute, but you actually feel something
It's
like
not
so
even a
relaxed.
minute.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
and
even
we're
a
talking
minute.
about approximately 12 in the night now, and I suddenly have this new boost of energy, which, and I'm generally at about 11:30 or 12. If people know me, I'm just in the drowsier state कि हाँ बस अब सोने वाला हूँ. It's amazing यार.
So are
Like,
you energetic right now?
of course. बस अभी घर पे लोग सो रहे हैं, otherwise I would have just danced.
You know, then just do this thing, and every viewers, just spread your hands, because it's the celebration when you are accepting life and you are experiencing life. So yes, congratulations for the new life, and a new good morning to you all. Good morning, Shashank. It was great being with you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you, thank
giving
you.
me a chance and to share my small amount of knowledge.
Oh
Thank you
no,
so
man.
much.
It was, bro, like pleasure
Love you,
was all
bro.
mine, man. Pleasure was all mine, bro. You came to this channel, you accepted my request, and you spoke about a topic which is like very, very relevant, and it makes a lot of sense, yeah. And I believe that because of this video, a basic outlook of things have come up. And for people who have a lot of queries and they want to dig into this topic, this guy would also be available to you all more in the videos. I've already made up a contract. I've already made up a contract with him. But the only thing we require is that we need more push and people asking a lot of questions कि हाँ ये topic पे और जानना है, बंदा हाजिर होना पड़ेगा
when you
यार.
when you have such a wonderful, beautiful, and I mean, this is a wonderful, you have the viewers of this channel are wonderful. So
Thank you.
after announcement, the messages that I got, their excitement level for such a deep topic. I mean, the level of your viewers is like this, man. I really respect them a lot. I am so happy to, this is my first, by the way, this is my first, digital presence.
Okay.
Uh, I'm performing digitally. Otherwise, I go on stage and speak and all such sort of things. I'm not a great speaker like Shashank, but
Oh no. Just being modest. Just being modest. We have this small family of
no,
people, Devansh, and uh,
but
yeah, I hope that we grow
but
together.
small, but I know it will grow like anything, I know, but small but very effective viewers, I must
Thank
say,
you.
the response that I got in messages, I'm so happy to present in front of such viewers, and such a person, great person, such a great sir
No, no,
is
no.
by the way, can I learn economics from you? I want to
Sure,
attend
sure,
your
sure,
class. I
sure.
want to
We
be
are
lucky
providing
like your
online
students.
classes, right? इसी बहाने promotion हो गया, क्या दिक्कत है? So,
No, but
so
Guwahati is lucky to have to
thank you,
professor
thank you,
like you.
thank you, man. Thank you. It really
So
means a lot, and we really look forward to talk to you more. And yes, the video is a little longer than the usual, but I believe that's worth of your time. So if you really like the video and you want to really value the time that he has given it to
But
us, yeah.
see, this is the point. The viewers who stayed till the end, they got to do this Buddha technique, self-enlightening technique. So it's always, better to stay till the end
I
because
honestly did not
that's
feel the
the what
time
true
actually.
loyalty
I
is.
actually did not feel the time flowing away. It just went off. We started at about 10 and it just now it's approximately 12, I believe, because of the network things going into between. But
Yes, yes,
everything
yes, yes,
just
yes.
went all so well and I'm happy. And I hope that you all people also like it. Thank you, Devansh. That was amazing. And yeah,
Thank you so much, Shashank. So bye, celebrate the life, and I would tell you and everyone, live with ultimate level of passion.